You see, if you go right now, you see my own place where they sleep. It's where the water don't dig there. So I don't know this year if rain come, what will be the outcome of the rain.
As the skies gradually darken, Freetown's residents are left even more worried, not just about a looming storm, but the rainy season that is now barely days away. With some roads still in disrepair and drains severely clogged, will Freetown's infrastructure hold up?
Right now, not get so much asset now. The rain is destroy everything, things then bad. I don't report to government not see to because I don't know if the report is not time, but things then destroy.
From where they don't dig that road, the left and so who don't suffer now. Any year, now losses for you now. It affects you bad. With the loss of Baku property then and people can die by that safe.
Well, last year's downpour left unforgettable scars in Leicester Road. Vehicles could barely navigate, especially along the Berry Street to Sky Junction route. Construction of this road has been stalled since 2022. The project, initially expected to wrap up in under 2 years by the China Railway International Group, now stands as what locals describe as a death trap.
Then we don't can start her. Now you don't come left now death trap, and the death trap don't because two don't die. And the number back could they call for no more because this not to for saying our community will make this road here. If I then small road, you go say community will come together and come. But this one for me, I say let's start.
With the rains fast approaching, residents here are bracing themselves mentally and physically for the impact of what they believe are inevitable floods.
Like they say, but still it not affects me also. I know the other side for me. And this also above. If rain can go, I know we get side for the neighbor.